How to verify your Roblox account. So all you have to do is to go directly here to Roblox application on your phone, and here it will look like this. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part you'll see five options there. You'll see the three dots there. Tap on three dots and it will look like this. Now the next thing that you need to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see settings here. Tap on settings and tap on account info. So to be able to verify your Roblox account is you have to connect your Roblox account to your email. So here you'll see under account info, you'll see display name, username, your password, and then email address. So here as you can see, I have inputted my email there and my account is currently verified. And to do that is you have to tap on the pen icon here. Just put your email there and go to your Gmail and just tap on verify account. And that's it. That's how you verify your Roblox account. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.